Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners along Bob Iacchino. KODAK continues lower. Not much of a surprise, especially after it got below this ledge, because remember, vertical up generally leads to vertical down. Not saying it can't bounce, but the rush and the mad run up is over. So first cross rotation zone on the 1 hour. 1 hour is now bearish. If you want to take a look, you see here, gap lower, straight to our level. Let me zoom in there. And then it actually found support at the lower level. Let me drop down to another time frame, like a 15-minute or something. So, all right, you see finding a little key support right there, next at 2250, then moving through it. If you wanted to look for the next levels, this was the pausing bar. You had to do it on a shorter-term chart, which gave us right around this 2005. Got down close, but not exactly to it. Moving back to rotation zone and then flattening out. So, let's take a look at that 4 hour. So finally a close within the 4 hour rotation zone. So that would generally mean we're going to at least test lower pricing. We do have a gap here, so I will be keeping an eye on that. If we get above this high, above 2568, I'll start watching at least for a partial gap fill. So that would be the bullish rally move. If we get above 2568, we still have a gap fill. The full gap fill would be to 2750. On a continued move lower, if we start breaking down below 2028, 2005, which we didn't hit, then $17. 17, you get a close in there. It also takes you starting to this gap. That gap right here is all the way back down to this daily bar, which gives you to that open of 963. Now, the key level I'd be really focusing on based off the daily is the 1613. If we continue to sell off, that would touch the daily rotation zone. Again, vertical up, vertical down, but would not be surprised to see some kind of bounce at some point. It generally doesn't come vertical down in a straight line. You generally get a couple attempted rallies in these kind of moves. So we have for you on KODAK, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.